We want to travel.
And live.
Well, take him with y'all.
Miss Paul.
Miss Paul. Yes, ma'am.
Your parents came in here not to waste my time.
Thank you.
You, obviously, with everything you're saying, is wasting my time because it's making 0 sense. 0. Do you know how many parents have gone to school? Excuse me, I'm talking to you. Address me.
I'm sorry. Yes.
Do you know how many parents have gone to school and have raised minor children? It happens every day.
Mr. Lewis stands before the court, desperately explaining how his former partner, Vagelina, has kept the insurance money from him, leaving him to single-handedly raise 3 children, 16, 12, and 9. Yet just as the story seems clear, a shocking question shakes the room. Are those children truly his? The atmosphere tightens as the judge pushes further, peeling back layers of secrets that threaten to change everything.
That's special. But since you're choosing this route, then your parents have to do what they have to do and make sure that you're at least financially supporting these children. Now, how much is it that you're making?
I make about $48,000.
What?
A year. Here they go.
They didn't even know you were making this kind of money?
I mean,
answer the question. It's a yes or a no.
No.
You didn't tell your parents you're making this kind of money.
I didn't feel like I had to.
Why would you feel like that?
Because it's my name that's on it.
What began as a romance has now spiraled into a fierce courtroom clash. Lewis insists that Vagelina offered him nothing but defiance before abandoning their home altogether. The judge, steady yet unyielding, demands straight answers. Who truly bears the blame for this turmoil? Emotions are boiling over, and the truth proves far more tangled than it first appeared.
But let me move over to your parents for 1 second.
This little selfish little girl of ours. Oh my Lord.
What is this about? What type of relationship do you all have?
Well, we thought it was pretty good, but evidently it's worse off than I thought. I mean, we raised her to be a better person, but evidently she went off track somehow. But
probably that year she went astray. That
probably,
year and a half.
Yeah.
Okay.
She went astray for a year and a half
But,
when she was 16.
What I want to know is who's the father? I mean, what is the father doing? I mean,
you know, that is a good question.
Lewis confesses that one of the children might not share his blood, yet he emphasizes that he shoulders the responsibility of raising all 3 entirely on his own. With no insurance coverage, no financial support, and medical expenses piling high, he claims Vagelina is absent whenever the kids need her most.
This child's father.
Do you even know
Probably in Hawaii with his wife or something.
What?
Oh,
I mean,
he's married?
I said it was a mistake. I said it was a mistake.
Okay. Now it's making sense now.
Call what you did was a mistake, but the baby is not a mistake.
Exactly.
Okay.
He's the only
the mistake
boy in the
to
family.
The baby, so kind of all sound like a mistake to me.
Okay,
But
well, you know what? I'm not going to mistake these child support numbers once I give them to you, okay? Now, you said you make about $48,000 a year, is that correct?
The judge leans in, carefully taking notes as the tension in the courtroom thickens. It's revealed that the pair were once husband and wife, now divorced, with custody resting firmly with Lewis. Vagelina pushes back, claiming mothers shouldn't be required to pay fathers' child support. But the judge swiftly dismisses the argument. Rules are clear, and accountability cannot be ignored.
Your gross to $4,000, making your net $3,356.08. Do you have any other children?
No.
Okay.
I don't know.
Don't.
Mr. Paul, what was that?
Trust me, I don't, and I don't plan
know.
on it.
She may have some more that we don't know about. So.
Okay. Well, hopefully, if that's the case, you all do not have to take those kids in either.
Thank you, Your Honor.
Miss Paul, I mean, this is ridiculous. You left that baby with your parents, do not provide any financial support, and then have the audacity not even...
Lewis's frustration boils over as he describes how Vagelina rarely shows up for the children's important moments. No Easter celebrations. No consistent visits, only the occasional appearance. Exhausted from carrying the weight alone, he pleads for fairness. Vagelina attempts to defend herself, but the judge swiftly cuts in, warning both sides to stay composed as the tension in the courtroom surges.
Tell them how much money comes into
No.
my account.
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
Really?
You're wrong, and I'm not going to sit up here and play like you're not. I'm telling you to your face, you're wrong. So, net is $3,356.08. Who can? Never mind. How much is health insurance for this baby?
Which?
It's like 250.
250, yeah, 250.
For the baby alone?
Yes.
Yes.
Okay, all right. So we're also gonna make you
baby.
reimburse health insurance of $250.
Excuse me?
That did you not hear me? You want me to say it a little louder? It's $250 for a health insurance.
Mr. Lewis implores the court for some form of relief, be it health insurance or financial assistance, anything to ease the crushing burden he carries alone. But his impassioned plea draws a sharp reminder to remain respectful. Then, as the judge shifts focus to Vagelina, the room grows tense, every eye fixed on her, waiting to uncover the truth about her finances and her true intentions.
Child support obligation of $671.
Yes.
That brings monthly child support to $921.
Okay, well, if I gotta pay that, I'm not coming around. Like,
And you know what?
You're either gonna get
And
child
you know
support or
what?
time.
I missed something because your parents asked for back pay.
Hello?
back pay.
They asked for back pay since the baby has been living with them. That comes out to $5,526, and I'm going to have you reimburse that at $100 a month.
Thank
so
you.
that $921 plus an additional $100 comes out to $1,021 that you're going to be paying your.
Vagelina states that she works as a building manager and insists she's been battling for custody, but then delivers a shocking accusation, claiming Lewis was caught with another woman. The courtroom buzzes with reaction, yet the judge holds firm, steering past the drama and keeping the spotlight on facts rather than emotion.
Your Honor.
You're
Even
welcome.
though I was coming to visit him and stuff, like,
Even
Visit?
though you were coming to
Yes.
visit, you just said something key. You said visit. You're the parent. They should be visiting,
Hello.
not the other way around. They've raised you and your sister. It's not their responsibility to raise your child. So since they have chosen to take on that responsibility, you're going to be responsible for the financial side. Is there anything further?
no, ma'am.
Okay. Is there anything further, Mr. and Mrs. Harrell? I'm sorry, Mr. and Mrs. Paul. I called you by your first name,
Yes,
Mr.
yes,
Paul.
The clash intensifies as Vagelina hurls accusations, while Lewis stumbles over his words, mixing up phrases and triggering laughter that ripples through the courtroom. Chaos threatens to take over, but the judge swiftly restores control, silencing both parties before the situation unravels.
Okay. No, I think
Why
that's
my
it.
money?
Okay. Excuse me, ma'am.
Yes, I'm sorry. Excuse me when you get done.
Yes, ma'am. Was there something else you needed to
No,
let me know?
ma'am.
Okay. I heard you mumble a little bit. I didn't know if you had something else to say.
I had something in my throat.
Oh, okay.
I bet you did.
Mrs. Paul. Mr. Paul, that's inappropriate.
Oh,
Mrs.
I'm sorry.
Paul.
I'm sorry.
We just need to make sure we need to set up visitation schedule because she does need to take.
The exchange grows sharper as Vagelina insists she consistently shows up to collect the children, a claim Lewis fiercely denies. With tempers on edge, the judge cuts through the noise, steering both sides back to the heart of the matter. What is truly happening in these children's lives, and which story holds the truth?